Okay, children. So I will give chance to two students from each section. Like from 4th A, I will give chance to two students. From 4th B, I will give chance to two students. From 4th C, I will give chance to another two students. And children, those who will not get chance, don't worry, beta. I will give you chance in your next class. Okay. So now,
Okay, ma'am.
we will do multiplication by hundreds. One question I will do how you have to do. The other one you will do it with by own self. So when we multiply 2 by 100, that means in this 100 children, in this 100, how many hundreds do we have? We have 100. Yes? Wait.
Ma'am.
Yes. So in this 100 we have how many 100? We have 100. Okay children, now tell me one thing. In 300, how many hundreds do we have?
3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
Yes.
Three. Ma'am, 3.
Good. Mute yourself now. Good. Excellent. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done this question.
Okay beta. Now mute yourself children. Beta, who was this? किसने कर लिया है? Did I tell you to
Ma'am,
do
I
it?
have complete.
बेटा आपको मैंने बोला था कंप्लीट करने के लिए. नो. So why you have done? You will wait for teacher also. Okay. So now we will do what we have. This means that beta into 100 because we have in 100 we have how many hundred? We have 100. That means 2 hundreds. Yes. Or you can write it like this.
Ma'am, we have to write this in our fair notebook.
Yes, you have to write this in your fair notebook, in your maths notebook. Is it clear till now? Please show me your thumbs up. Okay. So now from 4th A. Children, have you written till here? Okay, students. So your next question is, close your book. Beta, do one thing. Close your book. No one will see from book. Sharanya Shah. Beta, unmute yourself. Sharanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly do this question, Sharanya. Others, you also do this question in your notebook. Quickly. What will come next? Sharanya, what will come next?
200. 2 multiplied by 300.
We will write like this, or you will write digit, or you will write in words.
Words.
100 or hundreds. What will come? Hundreds. Yes. Now, what will be your next step? Yes, Sharanya. 600. Yes. Or you can write it like this. Yes. Yes, Sharanya. Is it correct? Yes, ma'am. Okay, Sharanya, mute yourself. Good. So Sharanya, now you will, in next class, you will mute yourself. I will give other student chance. Okay, Naisha, now unmute yourself. Wait, Naisha, let me allow your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly do this question, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Now, ma'am, we will write 2 multiplied by 700 in words. 700 in words.
Naisha, we will write 100 or hundreds.
Hundreds.
Yes, good. Now what will come here?
1400s.
Or you can write
140.
140 or beta 1400.
140.
Naisha, check it again, beta.
1400.
Yes, good. Children, is it correct? Till here, beta, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, good.
ma'am.
Any doubt?
Ma'am.
Anyone any doubt?
Ma'am, my chance are not cutting.
Okay, Ronak, I will give you chance. Okay, Ronak, so you will tell me for this. Quickly, beta, quickly.
Ma'am, 2 multiplied by 900 equals is 1800 equals 1800.
Okay, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Good, Ronak. Mute yourself now. Okay, Ishika. Ishika Rajput. Children, those who have not get their chance, surely, definitely, I will give you chance in next class. So no need to get afraid or sad. Okay, beta? I know everyone here is intelligent. I know everyone knows the answer. Ishika Rajput. Quickly, beta, quickly do this question. Quickly tell me what will come here, beta. Ishika, your voice is not clear, beta. Your voice is not coming. Good, Arpit. So, children, I can see your chat box also. Those who have done, you can answer here also. No audio, beta. You can type your answer. Yes, Ishika. Beta. Ishika, your voice is. Ishika, your voice is not coming, beta. Are you able to listen me? Okay, now say the answer. Ishika, your voice is not coming. I am giving chance to someone else. I will give you chance tomorrow. Okay, Ishika, don't worry. You can write. You can type your answer in chat box. Yes, Mriganshu. Mriganshu Yadav. Mriganshu Yadav. Quickly, beta, I don't have time. Mriganshu Yadav. Quickly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me the answer, Mriganshu. What will come next?
Ma'am, 2 multiplied by 800.
Wait, beta, yes. 2 multiplied by 800 or hundreds? You will write yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, now next. What will come next?
700.
Beta Mirganshu, multiply 2 by 8. When you multiply 2 by 8, what will be your product?
100.
जब आप 2 को 8 से, yes Pratyush, good. I can see your answer. Yes Arush, good, excellent. So children, you can write your answer in chat box also. I will reply from here also, beta. Okay. Yes Mriganshu, when you multiply 2 by 8, what you will get? 2
15.
8s are good. So here you will write 16 and you will write hundreds.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Or
Yes.
you can write it like this, 16 0 0. That means 1600. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, Mriganshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good. Yes, Ankita Ghosh. Good. Excellent. So children, have you written this in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I've replied in the chat box, I'm going to give you star there only. Okay, so for everyone, I have given star. Okay, children, have you written this in your notebook? Shall we
Yes,
move forward?
Yes, ma'am. We have written in notebook.
Okay, good. So children, we are going to do exercise 5.3. Your first question is you have to multiply so you open your page number 48. Children, open page number 48. So your first question is you have given 3 questions. Yes. So first you have to multiply 3 by 2. That means your answer is 6. Yes, beta. Now, in your second question, you can see that you have to multiply 3 by 20. That means how many tens do you have in 20? Children, quickly write in chat box. I am waiting, beta. Quickly write in chat box. 3 by 20. Quickly write in chat box, Naisha. Yes, good. Archana, check it again, beta. Good, Pratyush. Arya Deepak, good. Excellent. Naisha, good. Shubham, Swastik, good. Excellent.
Some answer will be 16.
Very good. So how you will write, beta? You will write it like this. 2 into, that means 2 tens. Yes. So you will get 6 tens, or you will write it like this, 60. Quickly note down this in your notebook. Yes, Ishika, excellent. Okay, children, I am waiting for your C part. 3 multiplied by 200. Quickly. Siddharth Mishra, why you have joined so late, beta? I have marked you absent. Siddharth. Okay, beta, quickly. Yes, you will write whole steps. So what will be your answer? 3 into, that means 200s. Yes.
Ma'am, I will not complete exercise 1.
Children, don't unmute yourself and answer. I have said that you will write in chat box. Like this. You can write it like this. 600s. Or like this. Yes. Is that okay? Is it correct? Yes. Good. Good. Good, Shubham. Gurmeet. Sharanya, excellent. Arush, excellent. Krishna Kumar Gupta, excellent. Ankita, excellent. Very good. Akarshak, good. Naisha, good. Arya, good. Pratyush, good. Excellent. Very good. Excellent, children. Swastik, good. Janvi, very good. Excellent. Archana, no beta, it's not 60. Okay, children, so you will do.
No, ma'am.
We have 10 minutes, right? So question number 2, question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Quickly mark this in your book. Question 2, question 3, question 4 is your homework. Your homework is question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5 and question 6 also. Till question number 6, it's your homework. So you will do from question 2 to question 6. That's your homework. Yes, excellent, Pratyush. Beta, you will write full steps. Pratyush, children, if your question comes in 2 marks, for example, this question comes in 2 marks, so you will write whole steps. Okay, Pratyush, you will write 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 3 into 2 tens. Yes. Then you will write 6 tens. Then you will write 60, 60, 60. Like this, you will write your answer. So you will get whole 2 marks. You will get 2 marks, full 2 marks. So from question number 2 to question number 6 or 4. Okay, children, so shall we move forward? Have you written this, beta?
Ma'am, we have to write only answer. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have to write full steps.
you will write.
Ma'am,
No, beta, you will write question also. Okay, now question number 6. So let's do question number 6. In question number 6, beta, now you don't have to write question. Now no need to write question. You can simply write question number 6. You have given heading exercise 5.3 page number 48. So you can start with question number 6. No need to write question. So in this question we can see that Rajesh has 85 50 rupee notes. 50 rupee notes. So children, you have to read question very carefully. How much money, how much money does he have? So I am waiting. Children, you have to try and you will write the answer in chat box. Beta, I am waiting. Children, wait, I don't know what this is happening. Quickly do this in your notebook, try it. So you can see that Rajesh has 85 notes of 50. राजेश के पास 85 notes है किसके 50 के. He has 50 notes of 85. 50 notes है. Okay. Children, do you have 50 rupee note right now? Anyone? Let me check in my bag. Wait. Children, do you have 50 rupee note with you? Anyone? Beta, my camera is not working. Wait, I think my camera has worked. Can you see me?
Oh, ma'am. This is question 7, not 6. Ma'am, this is question 7, not 6.
Okay, sorry. This is question number 7. So children, question number 7 is saying that Rajesh has 85 notes of 50. So he has how many notes? So he has 85 notes of 50. That means now what the question is asking, question is saying that beta, how much money does he have? So how you will find it? Okay, let me check who has done. Pratyush is saying 4,250. Varun Dev is saying 4,250. Chirag is saying 4,250. Gurmeet is saying okay. Abhimanyu is saying 4,250. Abhimanyu, you have written 425. 425. Krishna Kumar Gupta 4,025. Okay, beta, let us check. So that means 85. He has 85 notes of 50. Yes, that means 50. That means 50 has how many tens? 5 tens. Yes. So when you multiply 85 by 5, what you will get? When you multiply 85 by 5, what you will get? You will get 425 tens. Yes. That means 4250. Is it correct? Yes, beta. Have you understood how I have done? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So write down this in your notebook. So children, it is very simple. What you need to do, you will read the question very carefully. Okay, so your question was saying that you have 85 50 rupee notes. Okay, that means you have 85 notes of 50 rupee, of rupee 50. Yes. So how will you write? How will you find out how much money does he have? You will write like this: 85 multiplied by 50. Why you have multiplied 85 by 50? Because question has said that we have 85 notes. 85 notes and a 50k. Question has said, it is given in question. So how you will write? You can write 50 as 5 tens. Yes, beta? Yes. Naisha, are you chewing a chewing gum, beta? Throw it. Are you eating something? Okay, beta. So we can write 50 as 5 tens. Yes, children? Yes, beta? Show me thumbs up. So we have written it as 5 tens, then we will do it. We have multiplied 85 by 5, we get 425 tens, and that is 4250. Is it clear? So I can see that Janvi has given right answer. Krishna saying Pranav Pandey, Aisha. Aisha, you have missed 10. Arya, Abhimanyu, Swastik, Shubham. Check your answer again, beta. Akarshak, you have missed 10. Priyansh Pandey, good. Arya, good. Abhimanyu, good. Krishna Kumar Gupta, good. Gurmeet, good. Excellent, children. I think you have understood. So, beta, you will do question number 8 as your homework. So, your homework. Your homework is from question number 2, question number 6, and question number 8. Okay? I will send this picture in your WhatsApp group. Children, now your class is over. You have 10 minutes break.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.